Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve some questions of projectile motion. Let's start with the first question. A ball is thrown vertically upward with an initial velocity of 20 meters per second. What is the time taken to return to the thrower? Let's draw the diagram of the motion. A ball is thrown vertically upwards at this point. Slides. It says, what is the time taken to return to the thrower? Initially, it has an initial velocity of 20 meters per second. When it returns to the thrower, its velocity is equal to negative 20 meters per second because the direction of motion changes. Okay, from upwards to the downwards. The direction of motion changed from upwards to the downwards. Now we can use the formula of velocity, which is equal to initial velocity plus g of t. Then the initial velocity is equal to negative 20, which is equal to initial velocity is 20 plus negative 10 times t. That means negative 40 is equal to negative 10 t, and t or time is equal to 40 divided by 10 is equal to 4 seconds. That's the answer. Now let's go to the next question. Okay, this is the second question. A ball is thrown upwards with an initial velocity of 35 meters per second. How long will the ball take to reach its maximum height? Let's draw the diagram of motion. A ball is thrown upward. The initial velocity of 35 meters per second. 35 meters per second. How long will the ball take to reach its maximum height? At this height, t is equal to what? At maximum height, velocity is equal to 0. And so, if we use the formula velocity equal to initial velocity plus g of t, since the velocity is equal to 0 at maximum height, 0 is equal to initial velocity 35 plus negative 10 times t. And 0 is equal to 35 minus 10 t, which implies that 10 times t is equal to 35. That means t is equal to 35 divided by 10 is equal to 3.5 seconds. That's the answer. I hope it's clear. Now let's go to the next question. This is the third question. An object is thrown vertically upward with a speed of 12 meters per second. How fast is it moving when it reaches a height of 5 meters? Again, let's draw the diagram of motion. Say ball is thrown upward. Direction of motion. Upward, then it's downward. Let me raise this. Say ball is here. And it says how fast is it moving when it reaches a height of 5 meters. Say this is h, height of h. And what is the velocity? And h is equal to 5 meters. Using equation of motion, v square is equal to v naught square plus 2 gh. Then v square is equal initial velocity is equal to 12 meters per second. Then 12 square plus 2 times, and g is negative 10 times h is 5 meters times 5. Then v square is equal to 144 minus 100. V square is equal to 44 and v is equal to square root of 44, which is equal to approximately plus minus 6.8 meters per second. Notice that plus 6.8 meters per second in the velocity while the stone is tracing upwards. Let me change the color. At this point, when it trails upward, velocity is 6.8 meters per second. Negative 8.8 meters per second is the velocity while the stone is traveling downwards. It's negative 6.8 meters per second at this point. And it's downward and it's upward. Okay, the answer is plus minus 6.8 meters per second. I hope it's clear.